Here's how to clear browsing data on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you use, for example, this browser over here, this Samsung one, default one, we can tap on these three lines in the bottom right corner and choose Settings. In the settings, we need to scroll down a little bit and go to Personal Browsing Data, and here we can tap Delete Browsing Data. Here we can choose what we want to delete, and then press Delete Data and confirm your choice. Now, if you use a different browser, let's say we're gonna use the Chrome browser, so let's open it. Then in that case, we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and here we can choose Delete Browsing Data. Over here we can choose the time frame, so for instance we can delete the browsing data from the last hour or any different time. You can also tap on more options in order to select what you want to remove exactly, and then we can press Delete Data. Here you can also choose a different period of time, and that's pretty much it. For any other browser, you most likely still want to find settings. So after all, it all depends on the browser that you use, but in general, the option to remove the browsing data is somewhere in the settings. So look for them in your browser. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!